All right, folks, we have a poly mailer sitting in the bed of the xTool F2 Ultra UV. Now, I mail out a lot of these. I'm sure many of you do as well. When we send them out, we typically send them with a sticker with the business name, and we pay somebody to print those out, and that gets expensive. So I did do a test. I didn't do a full-blown material test, so I tested a few settings. We're going to hop in xTool Studio. I'll show you the conclusion I came to, and then you'll have some base settings to work with. So let's hop in xTool Studio and set that up. Let's do it. All right, folks, we're in xTool Studio. Now, I'm like everybody else. I start working with a new material. I'll look around for some settings. In this case, I couldn't find any. So my next option was to go to the materials library in xTool Studio, right here at the top right. So I started looking through here. Plastic seemed reasonable, but I didn't find anything. And to save time, I looked through all the rest of these and still didn't find anything. So my next option was to just try something. So I did, and I have a project saved here. We'll go get it and give that a run. It is right here. All right, so we have, what worked for me was 20% power, a speed of 150 millimeters per second, 300 lines per centimeter, and a frequency of 40. And I had some differences between text and the logo, so you'll just have to do some testing, but just remember to keep your power low and pretty high speed, at least to start with, so you can see how it's going to react. All right, so we're going to run this and see what we get. So let's do it. All right, let's see what we got. That don't look too bad. So if you want to save some money on stickers, you can use your UV laser to do this and put your business name on your packages. So I'm going to continue the quest to figure out all the items I can work with on the xTool F2 Ultra UV. So just check back often for new videos. And if you've got questions about this or anything I've got posted, just drop it in the comments and I'll get you an answer, or at least do my best to. So y'all just take care, and we'll see y'all next time. Thank you.